Hello and welcome to another update video about IOTA, another crypto where my target area was reached. To be honest, I don't think I've been bearish enough looking at how the price has come into the target area. So this target area I did give you, I to be honest, I can't remember when I did give it to you, but we sticked with this target area as primary expectation. Also when we moved up here in this wave E, where we were at 162, it seemed crazy to talk about a price area between 75 cents and 90 cents. And however, we could already see that we were getting closer in the last few videos. I did update you when we were coming again to that $1 level. We then had this counter move, touched that target area there, but made a lower high and then made another lower high. And then we could already see that head and shoulders pattern forming. And it seems like finally, this annoying long correction seems to be getting over. Yeah, seems to be getting over. There is a risk that we really drop below that target area and that we're seeing even lower prices. And in the end, what we might see here on the IOTA chart, which would be even more bearish than I thought, and I've been already told off for these low prices, that we've seen here something like a very large I need to start the other way, so that this O was a wave B. We're seeing the wave C now down here. That was probably the wave A here at around 57 cents. That we've seen here as well, a larger ABC correction, which was a bit of a different pattern than I thought it would be. But with that, we have to get ready for lower prices. Just want to warn you before, because that target area is reached now, but I don't think the Bitcoin correction is over yet. And while looking at just that wave, the correction could be complete. Looking at how fast the price came into that target area, it surprised even me, even though I've been really fairly bearish on all of this. But if we then go to this, do it like that, that would rather suggest prices. And all I do, let me copy that. Let me copy that target area and move it in here. That would then be the more likely scenario in my view here, because I think, yes, that target area was reached. And when we reach one of these target areas, we always need to re-evaluate. I think for VeChain, the target area, for example, remains the same. But for IOTA here, I think I wasn't bearish enough. So I want to pre-warn you here that I would think it's probably more likely we're going to see prices of that higher level wave count, 0.887 FIB level to 0.786 FIB level, between 37.5 and 64 cents. Yeah, now that only becomes pretty much active as soon as we drop through this target area, and this ended at 74 cents. So if we drop below that, I think then we're going to see here the 64 to 37 cent level, which makes me think I should adjust my buy orders on Discord for IOTA as well, which I'm going to do. And again, if you want to know about my own buy and sell orders, check out the channel membership. If you're interested to join, great community, over 600 members now. I saw that yesterday. Just growing all the time. Fantastic community, really helpful, and people helping each other. When I started with crypto, I would have loved to have such a community to start with. It's great because it's a very honest community. You know, we're not gonna sell anything to you or whatever. It's just really to help each other. And yeah, of course, you can follow me with my buy and sell orders if you're interested in doing so. But overall, IOTA moving as expected, but even more bearish than I thought. And as I said, I was even told off for these price levels when we were up at 160. And people said, we'll never see these lower prices because you can now stake IOTA, which is true. You can stake IOTA or MIOTA. And I talked about this, but I still talked about the high probability that we're going to fall into this price target area. And it's actually, again, it's a great opportunity, because now that IOTA or MIOTA can be accumulated at these levels, it's even better, because then these can be staked again and more MIOTA can be earned passively. Again, no financial advice, but yeah, everybody who basically again, can't say listen to me because it's a bit silly. You always need to come to your own conclusions and listen to various YouTubers, listen to various, come to your own conclusions basically. But everybody who came to the same conclusions that I did, could probably save some money by not buying IOTA up here at 150. I always told you that for me, the breakout of IOTA wouldn't be confirmed until we really break here. I think it was around the 0.382 fib level at 172. Now we never really broke that. So yeah, we didn't really make any significant moves up. Of course, we did come up all the way here in that wave B, but I did tell you after that we would have needed to break that triangle pattern here, A, B, C, D, E. We never did that, and therefore I sticked with my bearish scenario. And now I even think that we probably have to come below that wave A here. And if I see that, I probably need to adjust it a little bit, because we need to get below that wave A, which means I have to adjust the target area to lower than the wave A, which makes me define that as 37 cents, yeah, to 57 cents. That's the view that I think IOTA will get to. All right, hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. And if you really want to join the channel membership, then you can find a link to that in the video description. You can either join on my website or you can do that here on YouTube, and the links are in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.